Hello guys, I'm Mohammad Izhar. I'm the founder of BEVISIBLE Marketing Company and the head trainer of MSOM. Guys, I'm very appreciate you all to join this video, and through this medium today I proudly announce you that a BEVISIBLE Marketing Company took an initiative as MSOM, Moradabad School of Online Marketing for Moradabad Youth, and today we successfully complete our 1 year of establishment. It's such an amazing journey, and like that many more to come. I want to share this resource which published previous year 2017. This resource is published on 9th December. Okay, and the headline of this resource is Launch Moradabad First Digital Marketing and E-Commerce School. The summary of this resource is increase awareness in Moradabad market of online business and opportunity to connect global market. We take some more step. Now we proudly launch our digital marketing and e-commerce school in Moradabad. Okay guys, BEVISIBLE company is a digital marketing and e-commerce support company that has been around for a while and thus a great deal of experience guiding clients from all over the world. Has what is the best solution for them. The aim of BEVISIBLE Marketing Company is to spread awareness among the people of Moradabad about digital marketing and to make them familiar with digital platforms. Or you can say to fill the gap of digital marketing education in Moradabad. That's why BEVISIBLE took a very precious step to launch our very first digital marketing and e-commerce school in Moradabad for professionals, entrepreneurs and job seekers. As we know that almost every aspect of business is going digital, but we want you to know that digital marketing as a career is himself a massive field, and there are a lot of big opportunities where you can work wonder. And if you want to become a professional player of this field, there is no better place than MSOM in such a reasonable price. Okay guys, you can go through this a complete. I will share you a link. Okay, this is a press release which I published on previous year. Okay, you can go through this and read a full article of this. Yes, I take some more highlights through this video. BEVISIBLE Online provides affordable all type of Google promotions, digital marketing and e-commerce marketing support. It is thus no big surprise we already having 5+ years of experience now today, 6+ years of experience managing thousands+ domains. We have many package options available on their website for website development and website marketing also. Okay, you just visit over there. It's bevisible.online, online Google promotion for all, and it's a most trusted digital marketing agency. We providing a SEO, SMO business listing, and you can access my all packages we offer to our client on. Normally click over there. Okay, and if you want to know more about bevisible.online, you can go through this. It's a whole website of BEVISIBLE Marketing Company. Okay, and Moradabad School of Online Marketing MSOM provides all-in-one digital marketing course for 12 past students, fresh graduates, job seekers, business owners, or who want to become an online entrepreneurs, in which we cover all required modules of digital marketing. Okay guys, through this medium you just click on this link msom.in. You just redirect over my website. It's msom.in. It's especially designed and developed for education purpose. Okay, Moradabad School of Online Marketing, you can visit over there and you can get all relevant information about digital marketing, like about us, message from MSOM, why MSOM, programs, 14 programs are there, we covered in within 3 to 4 months as per your ability. And then certification, what certification you got, and then demo, okay, and what you learn, like overview of digital marketing, website planning and creation, content creation and management, SEO, search engine optimization, Google AdWords, PPC, now it's called Google Ads, Google Web Analytics, SMO, and so on. Okay, you just visit over there and all information you got. What is MSOM program? Become a Google certified professional, and after complete this course, what certificate you got? Okay, for fundamental or for shopping certificate, for analytic, whatever you want. Okay guys, so this is all about our website, and today I complete 1 year, that's why I make this video. Okay, and some more things are there. It's time to talk some achievement, what I achieved in 1 year. Okay, so now all major and basic keywords are on top of major search engine like Google, Yahoo, Bing. Okay, if you go for a Google and ask whatever the related keywords you are search on, probably or hopefully or definitely we are on a top #1 slot. Okay, for example, if you go for Google and ask Google first digital marketing school in Moradabad, we are on #1. Second number is our website, and if you ask relevant or related keywords through Google, we are on #1, like Digital Marketing Institute in Moradabad. Yes, we are on #1. Digital marketing course. Again, we are on #1, and Google just dial list all are there. There are 2 in which we are 1. Okay, or relevant, so many keywords are there. If you search e-commerce school in Moradabad, yes, Be Visible Digital Marketing and E-commerce School, CV lines. Okay guys, so this is my achievement, and we done our organic marketing for effective response. If you search through various keywords, we are on top #1. Okay, and some major search engines are there, like Yahoo also there. Okay, if you go for a Yahoo first digital marketing school in Moradabad, we are on #1 organically. And if you ask Bing also first digital marketing school in Moradabad, again we are on #1. Okay guys, and we gave free 50 plus demo session regarding online marketing, and so it's 10 plus students has successfully certified from MSOM, and now they do their best in their business and job career by having the advanced knowledge of online marketing provided by MSOM. Okay guys, and if I shared you some other goals for this year goal of MSOM is just to direct push you in a best path of your business or career by providing your best knowledge of digital marketing to implement a best online strategy. Okay, so people, why are you waiting for? Just book your demo now. Okay, you just visit over there and you just book your demo session, and you just start a WhatsApp discussion also by click over there, and you can shoot me a mail at support@msom.in. Our support team will revert you within a tight time, and our helpline number is 8057222122. Okay guys, if you have still any question, you just ask me. Okay, or you can give me a mail. Okay, and if there is anything I didn't share, so just ask me in a comment. I will give you answer as per my ability. Okay, please share this video with your friend, colleague or relative. Hope it's help for them. Okay guys, thank you very much to complete this video, and I really appreciate to show a complete video too. Okay, from beginning to till end. It's a very proud moment for me, that's why I make this video. Okay guys, thank you very much to see this video. Thank you.